My name is Santosh Kumar Panda. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech in Electrical Engineering from National Institute of Science and Technology, Berhampur. My idea is to build a product that is a smart cap, which will be used for social distancing. As we know, due to contact tracing, maximum corona cases are coming into picture. So I am trying to build a product which will be placed on head or on cap. It will measure the distance of the nearest people I have or the person having, and the distance he will get in mobile. My circuit contains 4 ultrasonic sensor, one SC05 Bluetooth module and one Arduino. For this, I have developed mobile app also using remote XY. Okay, so let me explain how my circuit works. This is my project. Here is the 4 circuits, 4 ultrasonic sensors I'm using. 4 each for front sensor, back sensor, right and left. One Arduino Uno I am using. In project or in practical product, we can use Arduino Nano also. For Bluetooth transmission, I am using SC05 module, which will work in both master and slave mode. And in this project, we need to transfer the Bluetooth data to mobile, so we need master mode. Now I will show you my code. This is my code. In normal Bluetooth module, we write serial.available to read data, but here I am not writing that because remote XY server I already have designed the Bluetooth hub, and the code contains in itself, so I need not to write again. And this is my code. I have 4 echo pins and 4 trigger pins for 4 different ultrasonic sensors, and for remote serial transmission, that is for Bluetooth module, I am using TX-RX at pin number 2 and pin number 3. Then for 4 directions data, like what is the distance value, that I will print in text format. So 4 text boxes and 1 sound underscore 1 each for buzzer. And this is the code where I set up the pin mode for every ultrasonic sensors. And in loop, I am writing the code for ultrasonic sensor first, which will keep the trigger pin low, then keep high for 10 microsecond, again put it into low. Then echo pin will receive the data through pulse-in function. From that I can calculate the duration, and I am applying this formula for calculating distance from duration value. For 4 different sensors I calculated differently. Then that 4 distance will be contained in a variable, in 4 different variables. The variables will print a remote XY app. And this is the while loop where I already have told that 4 distance value I am storing in 4 different variables. So when any of the variable gets value greater than 100, the buzzer will activate it. So that I coded it as 1001 as remote XY server setting. And after 50 microsecond delay, I will close the buzzer. Thank you. The basic circuit I am giving. In future, we can use also ESP32 module because it contains Bluetooth in itself. So we need not to make it complex like adding Arduino Uno, adding SC05 module externally. Also, we can create a band with microsensors which will measure health status, and it will be sent to every mobile phone with 1 meter radius with module names, so that people can get data that what is the health status of the person near to him.